How to draw a bag of money, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step, we're going to begin by drawing a small curved line. Now attached to the top of that curved line, we're going to draw three small shapes that look similar to curvy ovals that are going sideways. These three shapes that we draw, one on top of the other, will make the rope that is on the top of our bag of money. Now on the inside of those shapes that we just drew together, we're going to draw small lines going up and down for detail. Fantastic! Now that we have the rope drawn, the next step will be to draw the bottom of the bag of money. So let's go ahead and draw a big outline that will connect from the left side of the rope all the way over to the right. Additionally, I'm going to draw a couple small curved lines that will be attached to the rope for a little bit more of detail. So as of right now, we have the bottom of the bag drawn along with the rope. Now coming out of the very top piece of the rope, let's go ahead and draw the top of the bag. And at the end of today's video, I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Now last but not least, before we color, in the bottom of the bag, we're going to draw a big bubble letter S and fill it in completely black. Then we'll draw two lines going through it to make the money symbol. And if you're enjoying today's video, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. This is how to draw a bag of money. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you want to see more videos just like this, then be sure to subscribe because we upload on a regular basis. And don't forget the next I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in. Great job today and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.